Alright, we got the helmet cam switched back over to me, myself, and I, aka Mitchell. A beautiful day. I think it's like +3. And we're on the Irving roads. I mean, they've been full of snow all winter, so you haven't really been able to go anywhere. It's just getting to be that time of year now where things are melting off and you can actually go somewhere without driving through a foot of slop, because it's going to get sloppy here in the next few weeks as spring comes on. I mean, all the ATV clubs right now are asking people to stay off the trails until they firm up, because they don't want them all rutted up and wrecked. Not that I like to follow the club rules, but I hope everybody's enjoying the 506 side-by-side content. As summer comes, I'm hoping we can put more and more out and visit some new places. Woo! And then make some more content for everybody to watch. So not everybody in the world is able to get out on a four-wheeler or side-by-side. Some people don't have that luxury, so it's nice that they can watch from home on their couch where they're nice and warm, and hopefully get the view from my perspective so they can kind of feel like they're riding the bike. Hey, we're gonna go up here and turn right. It used to go into a four-wheeler trail that was too tight for a side-by-side. It went to an old camp that was all fallen down, right on the river. They call it Lester the Molester's camp. Anyways, they cut wood in there now, so now we can go in there. Ooh, she's mucky. Pretty soon it'll be summertime and I'll be back riding the side-by-side again. The four-wheeler is sort of my winter toy. Although this is the most I've drove it in a few years. Quite a bit more snow in here than on the main road. Those moose tracks. Oh, there's a tree down. I didn't bring my chainsaw or an axe or anything. Do you think you can pull it over? No, you're not going to pull that out of the way. She can go under it. Oh, fuck. Surprising. The one time I didn't bring my chainsaw. Give it to her, all the beans. Ain't gonna happen. No problems. Ooh. How slimy that is. And everybody watching, we're in New Brunswick, right on the Nova Scotia-New Brunswick border, if anybody's wondering. Between the Suzuki and the two Hondas, I don't know what which view you like better, but we're on some side road, some side Irving road off the main Irving road, and we're pretty deep in. It's basically all just a big chopping, and the roads are starting to, the frost is starting to show through them there now. They're starting to get sloppy. It's really windy today too, especially in the open like this. The wind just blows right through you. Maybe someday down the line, if our channel ever got popular, we could all get new bikes and show them off, but right now we don't make any money from YouTube, so this is just for fun. And we've never been on this road. This is the first time we've ever gone down this road. They say I haven't been out venturing through these Irving roads in a long time. Generally, I skip right through them and go where I'm going. See, these are just logging roads. They're not really meant to go anywhere. They're just for access, so they can get in to where they need to go in here. They don't really connect with anything. So sometimes you're basically on a wild goose chase for nothing. And honestly, that doesn't look that bad. The Saba side could maybe get through there. I'll see if I can pick the easiest route for her. This doesn't look too bad. Any animals in here? No? Cool. Oh, a nice little chair. Close that. Oh, this is nice. There's a wild Jeff. Bang. How the fuck fuck are you supposed to get in and out of this, especially if you're drunk? I'm gonna fall out and I'm sober. Oh, nice. Let's climb up. Oh, they got a hand railing on this one. Oh. Yeah. Nope. I'm in. Now I gotta get down out of this sketchy fucking tree. Okay. What's the chances if I just jump, I won't land on my feet? I got a bad knee, I can't jump. Okay. I'm huffing and puffing. I'm gonna pause this video and walk back. I've made it back to the bike. I'm still huffing and puffing. Now we come down this on boats. No, I'm not chicken. You drive down that fucking bank. Let's see it. If I'm so chicken, you get on your bike and you drive down that snowdrift. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but just think about how fun this would be. Risk versus reward. High risk, high reward. Who's chicken now? Who's chicken now? Well, this is kind of sketchy considering there's enough water here that would instantly drown my bike and it would be gone forever.
Oh, he's getting some close.
Explosion of cattails. It's in my mouth. It's a little soft there. I think it's a little softer than it was when we came in. It's only been, what, an hour since we came in here, maybe? If that. Oh, this isn't soft. It was. Ooh! 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 Oh! 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 There's a soft spot there! Nope! No panic! I got a little bit of a wet bum! I'm gonna jump this. No, not quite. Ooh, big ruts. I want to thank everybody for watching today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and be sure to keep watching for more content.